Hey everyone, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we've got a topic that many of you have been requesting: 18 hints from a woman she wants you to come to her. If you're ever unsure about whether to make a move or not, this video will give you some valuable insights. But remember, consent is key, and always prioritize open communication. Let's jump right into it. Section 1: Body Language Hints. Our first category is body language hints. Pay close attention to these signs. She maintains eye contact and often licks her lips. She plays with her hair or twirls it around her finger. She leans in towards you when you're talking. She subtly mirrors your body language. Section 2: Verbal Hints. Now, let's explore some verbal hints. She talks about future plans and includes you in them. She gives you compliments and praises your qualities. She opens up and shares personal stories or experiences. She initiates contact through texting or calls. Section 3: Social Media Hints. In the digital age, social media hints can also be significant. She consistently likes and comments on your social media posts. She tags you in relevant and interesting posts. She shares memes or inside jokes with you. Section 4: Physical Hints. Physical hints are more direct. Here's what to look for. She initiates casual physical contact, like touching your arm or shoulder. She's comfortable with hugs or cuddling. She holds your gaze for more extended periods. Section 5: Communication Hints. Communication hints can be subtle but essential. She sends flirty or playful messages. She uses emojis or emoticons to convey her feelings. She playfully teases you in an affectionate way. There you have it, folks, 18 hints from a woman that she wants you to come to her. Remember, these are just hints, and the most crucial element in any relationship is clear and enthusiastic consent. If you notice some of these signs, it might be worth exploring the possibility, but always communicate openly and honestly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more relationship tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care.